You might be facing a problem of live option not showing on TikTok, but don't know how to solve it. Well, in that case, I'll teach you how to fix it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. So without any delay, let's get back into the video. For that, open up your TikTok. So before we get on to the section for solving it, let me tell you two of the primary requirements for going live on TikTok. The very first one is you need to be above 16 years old. And the second one is you need to have 1,000 followers or more than 1,000 followers. So you need to check if you have just fulfilled both of the requirements. For that, go to your profile on the bottom right corner. You can see that I do not have 1,000 followers at all, but I'm already above 16. So make sure you have just touched and completed both of the requirements. Now, even in spite of that, if the problem still exists, what you can do is you can take a screenshot of this interface here. Alright, when you do this, tap on this hamburger icon on the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy. Now what you can do is scroll down and then tap on report a problem under support and about. So as you get onto this section, scroll down and then tap on live option here. Onto this live option, tap on how to start a live here. Now you can see that starting a live, they have given all of the process to start it, but since it's not solved at all, so you need to tap on no option on the bottom right corner like this. And you can see that your feed was submitted, and then scroll down and tap on need more help option on the bottom left corner. Now here what you can do is tap on this photo icon on the left corner here, and then tap on the picture that you have taken recently, and then tap on OK option on the top right corner. So you can see the photo is being uploaded, and for your safety, do not include any personal information. Tap on this tell us your feedback option and then enter here. I have met all of the criteria, but still the problem is not solved. When you're done doing it, scroll down and then tap on submit option below. So you can see that they have successfully recorded our feedback, and they will contact if the more info is needed. Alright, tap on reply option if you want to. Alright, they will just reply you after a certain time. It might take more than 12 hours or 24 hours, but you are going to get the solution of your problem. Alright, this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.